Hey everyone! If you're someone who struggles with joint pain, you know how much it can negatively impact your daily life. From making it hard to get up and down to causing discomfort when doing simple activities, joint issues are no fun. I've dealt with knee and hip pain myself. Luckily, there are many natural ways you can help reduce inflammation that contributes to joint aches and pains. And some of the easiest solutions can be found right in your kitchen, in the form of beverages. So today I'm going to share 6 different drinks that have been scientifically shown to fight inflammation and potentially ease joint discomfort. Green tea. Green tea is packed with polyphenols and antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown improved functionality and decreased inflammatory markers in arthritis patients who drank green tea daily. Just be sure not to add sugar, as that can negate the anti-inflammatory effects. Aim for 2-3 cups per day. The EGCG compounds have specifically been researched for joint and arthritis pain relief. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries contain high levels of antioxidants called anthocyanins. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition showed significantly lower inflammation markers in women who drank tart cherry juice twice a day for 3 weeks. The anti-inflammatory properties can help with overall joint comfort. I recommend 1 cup daily. Pineapple juice. Pineapple has an enzyme called bromelain that has remarkable anti-inflammatory effects in the body. A study found participants with arthritis who took bromelain supplements had reduced pain, stiffness, and physical function. You can get the benefits by drinking an 8 oz glass of fresh pineapple juice a day. Turmeric latte. The spice turmeric has the antioxidant curcumin, known for blocking inflammatory cytokines. Making what's called a golden milk or turmeric latte is an easy way to incorporate it. Just combine heated milk with 1 tsp of turmeric and other spices like ginger and cinnamon. Many patients find drinking this soothing beverage daily helps ease joint pain. Tart blackberry juice. Like cherries, blackberries also contain those inflammation-fighting anthocyanins. One lab study found that blackberry extract could significantly inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules. Get the benefits by making some fresh blackberry juice. 1 cup daily is great. Ginger tea. Ginger root has many medicinal properties, and one is being a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. Studies demonstrate ginger's ability to reduce cytokines associated with joint inflammation and pain. Steeping some sliced ginger root to make ginger tea is an easy way to utilize its benefits. So there you have it. 6 science-backed drinks that can help fight inflammation and may provide some joint pain relief without medications. Give some a try and see if they make a difference in how your joints are feeling. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other anti-inflammatory drink suggestions. Thanks for watching.